Hello Empowered Champions, welcome to another video. So if this is the first time that you're visiting this channel, welcome. My name is Vivek, and on this channel we talk about making money online, passive income ideas, freelancing tools and tips, money saving tips, budgeting, savings, investment, and general ways in which we can achieve financial freedom. So in this video, I'll be talking about Canva, which is a free graphic design tool that you can use for your personal use as well as in your business. There are some fonts in Canva that you can use for commercial purposes. Not all the fonts that are there can be used for doing anything regarding if you're gonna sell it or doing it for clients that they're gonna use either for commercial use, right? So I just want to show you that there are some fonts as well as some graphics in Canva that can be used and those that can't be used, right? And how you can know where to find to know which one to use and what not to use, because at the end of the day you don't want to get into any issue, copyright issue, as relates to the fonts or the graphics that you are using in your project. All right, so let's go onto Canva, right? All right, so for example, if you're gonna create an Instagram post, right? And right, suppose you want to start on a blank slate and you want to go to let me see more. All right, so you want to go to elements, right? And you want to use a picture, right? Say suppose you want to use flowers. You want to use flowers, right? All right, so if all right, these are free to use. They are free, but to be on the safe side, these three little dots, you can click on them, right? And you can go here where you see this sign beside the free, and you click on it, and it will tell you the license that how you can use it, right? So to use this media safely in a Canva design for personal or commercial use, you can use this in marketing or social media or even sell merchandise without restriction. All right, so this flowers, you can use it in your design, and this is one of the ways you can just to make sure that you are using pictures or anything in Canva that is if you want to use it in a project for your business or you're working for clients, you just want to make sure that you're on the safe side as it relates to the pictures that you are using in your projects, right? So this is how you will, just to make sure, even though it says it's free, but you just want to make sure that you use it, and you can't use it as is. You have to create your own work, because these are works of other persons. So you just want to change it up and to make it different, right? So you don't want to be selling the exact thing, because you can't redistribute the exact picture or anything like that. You have to change it up, make it different, right? Right, so you can do it however you want, change it however you want to change it up, right? And you can add probably some text to it, right? So you have a lot of text here, different styles that you can use on in your projects, right? Some of these with the crown, these are the pro, so you would have to have the pro account in which to use them. These are free, but if you want, you can go here and you can type in right, and you can just go here, right, carry it up here, right, something like that. All right, so as it relates to the font now, you want to ensure, because Canva has a lot of fonts, right? And not all the fonts can be used. These with the crown are for the pro version. That means you'd have to pay, you have to have the pro version to in order to use these. And even if you're on the free account and you use this, you'd have to pay, right? So you can, if you don't like this font, you can change it, right? There's one that I like, satisfy, right? You can use that one. And guys, as I said in the intro, that before you use a font in your project, just ensure that it's for commercial use. There are 50 free fonts that Canva offers that you can use in your projects, right? You have 50 free fonts. And if you're not sure about the font, right, so you can, here are the 50 free commercial fonts that you can use in your project, right? So they're all here, all of them are here, 50 of them. And if you see a font, if you're in your design and you see a font that you like, all you have to do is to type the font, right? Right. And if you don't, if you're not sure about it, right, you can always check it out. So like here, like satisfy, and you type in satisfy font license, and it says it's a Google font. So you click on it and you go to license, right? And it says these fonts are licensed under the Apache license version 2.0. You can use them freely in your products and projects, print or digital, commercial or otherwise, right? So this font, you can use it in your project, right? So you can, so it's supposed to like this one, Allegria, right? You just come here and you, let's see if you can find it from here. Let me just, right? Allegria. Wait, let me go back because it's not giving me option. Let me go back. All right, so Allegria. All right, font lines. Let me see if we can use this one. All right, see, just click on the font, Google font, and you go to license, right? And it says you can use them freely in your projects, product and projects, print or digital, commercial or otherwise, right? So you can just be mindful of some of them that are here. Because not all of them, as I said, you can use in your projects. So, all right, so I pull up and let me check this one. All right, so this is all right, so this node, this font, April bold in Canva, right? This one here, right? So when you check it out, April bold font license. This is not a free, it's not a Google font, right? It's a font that you have to pay for. You can or you can't use it. It's from this from the creator, and you can't use it like that. You have to pay for it. So this is not a free font that you can use, right? So this is what I'm talking about, that not all the fonts can be used, even though it doesn't have a crown beside it. Not all of them can be used for commercial use. So that's why it is very important that you check the font before you use it. If it's for like your personal use, you can use it, because you're not going to use it to like to do a project for someone that you're gonna sell it. So you can use it for your personal use, you know, but I would prefer you use the funds that are both for personal and commercial use, so that you do not run into any copyright issue. So to be on the safe side, just double check your work, double check what you're using, double check the pictures that you're using, and in your projects, right? You have free sites that you can get pictures from. You have pexels.com, right? You can get pictures from there, right? Pexels is a free site where you can get pictures to use in your projects. Sorry, I should type in flowers. My apologies. Flowers. Right. Right. So these are some beautiful flowers. And also you can just double check, right? Just double check with the flower, with the pictures. You just want to make sure, right? Because on each of them you have it will tell you how you can use it. All right, so for example, if you want to use this picture here, and right? It says info, and you go here, see what it says. All right, so it's free to use, no attribution required. Learn about the license. You say what is allowed. It says all photos on Pixels can be used for free, while the most photos are released under the Pixel license. Some photos are covered by the Creative Commons Zero license. Both licenses are similar and allow you to do the following. So you can use all photos for free for commercial and non-commercial purposes. Giving credit to the photographer or pixel is not required but appreciated. You can edit and adapt the photos as you like, right? So you just want to make sure that before you use any font or any picture, you ensure that you have the correct license to use them in the project that you are doing. All right, guys. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, because we are all on this journey towards financial freedom, and it is my responsibility to show you ways in which you can use the internet to make money and to use it responsibly, meaning that you know what to use, what not to use, so that you don't have any legal issue where you have to pay out or pay out any money. Because we want to save money, we want to make money, because we want to have financial freedom. So this is just one way in which we can ensure that we are on the right track, and we are not gonna be into any problems with any copyright issues. All right. So I will leave the 50 free commercial funds link in the description so that you can bookmark it. And as I said, if you see a font in Canva that you wish to use, just type it in Google, font, and just type in the name of the font and the license, right? And see if it is a Google font. So far, the fonts that I have searched that are Google fonts can be used. They are for personal and commercial use. So just double check before you use any photo or fonts in your project. So guys, if this content you enjoy it, please subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. Share it with a friend, share it to a friend to a friend, so that we can grow our channel, because we are on this financial freedom journey, and we talk about everything that can empower you to be champions in of your finances and your life. All right, guys. So please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoy the video. Tell me what you'd like to see me talk about on this channel, so we can engage and we can all learn. All right, guys. So have a great day, and I will see you in another video. Bye.